Welcome back to my YouTube channel Ride and Review. Today we will talk about the 2025 Tata Nexon EV. The 2025 Tata Nexon EV is a testament to Tata Motors' commitment to sustainable and advanced mobility, offering an impressive blend of performance, technology, and design. As a fully electric compact SUV, it aims to cater to urban commuters and long-distance travelers alike, providing a seamless driving experience with zero emissions. At the heart of the Nexon EV is a permanent magnet synchronous AC motor, delivering a peak power output of 148 bhp and a maximum torque of 215 Nm. This allows for smooth acceleration, enabling the vehicle to sprint from 0 to 100 km/h in approximately 8.9 seconds. The powerful motor ensures a responsive and enjoyable driving experience, whether in city traffic or on highways. Equipped with a 46.08 kWh lithium-ion battery pack, the Nexon EV offers an ARAI-certified range of up to 489 km on a single charge. This substantial range reduces concerns about frequent recharging, making it a practical choice for both daily use and long road trips. The battery is designed to deliver consistent performance while ensuring longevity and reliability in different driving conditions. Charging the Nexon EV is convenient, with multiple options to suit different needs. A standard 3.3 kW AC charger can be used for overnight home charging, while an optional 7.2 kW AC fast charger reduces the charging time significantly, taking approximately 6 hours and 36 minutes to reach full charge. For those needing quick-top UPS, the vehicle supports 60 kW DC fast charging, which can charge the battery from 10% to 80% in just 40 minutes, making it ideal for long journeys. The exterior of the Nexon EV is designed to stand out, featuring a bold and modern aesthetic. With dimensions measuring 3,995 mm in length, 1,802 mm in width, and 1,625 mm in height, it maintains a compact footprint while offering a spacious and commanding presence. The sleek LED headlamps, signature illuminated grille, and aerodynamic body lines enhance its futuristic appeal. The alloy wheels and sharp tail lamp design further contribute to its dynamic stance. Stepping inside, the cabin exudes a premium and tech-savvy ambience. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a large 31.24 cm cinematic touchscreen infotainment system developed by Harman Trademark, offering seamless connectivity, entertainment, and navigation features. The vehicle supports multiple voice assistants, including Alexa, for hands-free operation. The JBL Cinematic Sound System, with 9 high-quality speakers and an external subwoofer, delivers an immersive audio experience, perfect for music lovers and long drives. Tata Motors prioritizes safety, and the Nexon EV is no exception. It comes equipped with 6 airbags, anti-lock braking system ABS with electronic brake force distribution EBD, and corner stability control. The vehicle has also secured a 5-star global NCAP safety rating, reinforcing its robust build quality and focus on passenger protection. Advanced safety features such as electronic stability program ESP, traction control, and hill descent control further enhance its reliability on various terrains. Technological innovations in the 2025 model elevate the driving experience. The inclusion of vehicle-to-load V2L technology allows users to power external electrical appliances using the car's battery, making it a versatile companion for outdoor activities or emergency situations. The Arcade.ev app suite provides a range of infotainment and navigation features, ensuring a connected and entertaining ride. Tata Motors continues to expand the charging infrastructure to support Nexon EV owners, ensuring easy access to charging stations across major cities and highways. With multiple home charging solutions, fast charging capabilities, and growing public charging networks, the Nexon EV is designed to integrate seamlessly into daily life. Combining performance, efficiency, cutting-edge technology, and a bold design, the 2025 Tata Nexon EV stands out as a leader in the electric vehicle segment. Whether for city commutes or long drives, it offers a compelling package that makes sustainable driving more accessible and enjoyable.